Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Motivation by Pallavi. Now we are going to making chicken biryani. So let's get started. I have taken ginger, garlic and coriander leaves to make it grind in a grinder machine. So let's grinding it, and after that we are taking here the 2 tablespoon curd and half lemon, 1 tablespoon salt and half packet kolhapuri chicken biryani masala. I have taken 250-gram chicken. Let's wash it first. In this clean chicken we are pouring the whole batter, and we are taking this 10 to 15 minute for the battering process. Okay, with one dish you can close the bowl. Let's wait for the 10 to 15 minutes. I have taken the one bowl to take rice, and let's clean that rice. We have done everything here. I have chopped here 2 onions. 4 tablespoons I have poured the oil in a large bowl. Let's put the crushed onion in that bowl. The second bowl we are going to ready to boil the rice for making the chicken. In that bowl I have added half top water, salt. Let's make slightly brownish color that onion, and we are putting again that battering chicken. I have mixed everything here. You are just watching how delicious it looks. So what will be means this recipe will be going so delicious, side by side we have made the boiled rice, and again I have chopped 1 onion. Let's going to check the chicken is made or not. Here I have poured the whole made rice in that jali. I have done mostly this chicken is made, and side by side I have just made here the brownish onion to serve on the rice, and after that I have just serving the whole rice on that chicken, and 1 tablespoon that ghee. Let me close the dish on upper side the patela. I am serving some onions as well, and after serving this brown onion, let me close the dish. I have closed it. Hey, we mostly done. It's so delicious. It looks very nice. You can serve it with lemon, onion as well, and just make a nice delicious chicken biryani. Hey guys, tell me how it looks, and if you really like this recipe, let me know in a comment. Thank you. Hey, you are my subscriber, thank you very much, but still you are not subscribing my channel. And if you are new in this channel, so please subscribe it if you like all my videos. Thank you. Feel free and eat delicious recipe chicken biryani with Pallavi. Ahan giving a comment how it looks, how he feel. Wow, he likes very nicely.